Hey guys, today's wine text is the Si 2016 Margaret River Red Blend. So this is a wine that label obviously says Red Blend. It is predominantly Cabernet, which is a varietal that so many of you on this list are enamored with, and it's something that we sell a lot of. And the interesting part here is where it's from. So if you think about Cabernet in general, for me personally, drink a lot of Cabernet from California, Napa specifically, in Bordeaux for sure, a little bit from Italy. Don't normally think of Cabernet from Australia, even though it grows very well there in certain areas. You think about Shiraz from Australia. And it's a region that for years was very well known and very famous for producing these very big, ripe, fruit-forward style Shiraz. And for many years, especially when I started here back in 2001, 2002, it was the hottest region on the planet, both Australia and Spain. And over the last several years, that's fallen off a little bit, I think because a lot of consumers were not as interested in some of those big kind of fruit-forward style wines. Over time, things have changed, and now you can get a lot of really big structured Shiraz that don't quite go to that level. And especially in Margaret River, you can actually look for Cabernet and Chardonnay. Value-wise, this is spectacular. If you're gonna spend under $20 a bottle for Cabernet almost anywhere in the world right now, based on what we're selling this for today, it's an outright steal because we're selling it much, much less than that. Small production. In previous vintages, I think they've made 500 or 600 cases of this, so it's not something you're gonna find in a lot of stores, just a handful of fine wine shops and in some cases upscale restaurants. It's drinking phenomenal right now. It will age in the cellar 3-5 years, maybe a little bit longer. I don't think it's necessarily gonna get that much better. It's really drinking well now. So choice is yours. Pop and pour now, short-term cellar either way. But bottom line, at the price you're gonna pay, you're gonna wish you bought a case or more.